Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's your girl Liza, and today we're going to be doing an unbox of my new NutriBullet Balance. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liza, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new NutriBullet Balance, and it comes with an app, and I've already downloaded the app on my phone, but I have to sync them, and in order to sync them, you know what your girl gotta do. She gotta unbox it. So I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys. I'm so excited. My husband surprised me with this the other night. Actually like a whole week ago he brought it home, but I never unboxed it, so I'm excited to unbox it and actually give it a try. I've heard so many good things about the NutriBullet, so I'm excited to get started. Are you guys ready? So it has like this book in there, balance your meals. And it comes with all these delicious recipes, not just shakes. This has like actual meals and salads and quinoa salads and things like that in there. And it even has exercises in here that like stretches and stuff that you can do. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's probably in the way. But it has like stretches, and look at that. It has like a Yumkins curry. That looks delicious. I would like to give that a try. I will be definitely trying some of these. And then it has the user guide inside of there. So you have your balance, your meals book that comes with your blender, and then your user's guide. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. Nervous. Guys, this is a big box. I'm gonna put it down so I can pull it out. Here we go. Oh wow, it comes with so many pieces. I don't want to open it and drop everything, so take everything out piece by piece. Oh wow. Yes. Guys, here is my NutriBullet Balance. Wow. Looks nice. That looks nice. It comes with all these different pieces, like for your cups. That is so cool. Look at that. Nice. It even comes with a shield to keep your blade covered so you don't accidentally cut yourself when you're not using it and you're reaching for it. That's pretty cool. And it has these two things that I'm sure goes on your cup. And they give you 3 of these cups. So I'm sure you put that on there like that when you're blending, I'm assuming. I don't know. I have to read the guide and figure it out. I'm just gonna do this unboxing really fast for you guys, so this is gonna be a very short video, but your girl will be back in like 2.5 seconds to show you guys how to use it. Once I wash all these up and clean them and sanitize them, I'll be back to do an actual smoothie and using my app and everything. So gonna go ahead and finish unboxing, and here's the last cup that I got. So you get 3 huge cups to go with your blender. This is very nice. I'm going to go ahead. Guys, I am so excited. I have a Ninja one like this as well. But I've heard so much about the NutriBullet that I'm excited to give it a try. I'm gonna move it over, and then That's it for the unboxing part, guys. If you want to see me use this nice, beautiful NutriBullet Balance, stay tuned. I'll be right back. All right, guys. Bye. Okay, guys, so I'm back. So if you have not yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can be notified when your girl comes back with more videos. So right now, guys, we're going to go ahead and use my brand new NutriBullet Balance. And I'm actually making the almond butter monkey business, except I'm going to be using peanut butter instead of almond. You can use any butter that is good for you. Sunflower butter, almond butter, any peanut butter, whatever you think is good for your family, you can use. So I'm going to be making my whey protein shake today. I'm going to be actually using protein, and I'm not going to be using spinach that it calls for. I'm going to actually be using this super greens powder that I'm going to be putting in there as well. I got some help seeds I'm going to be putting in there, and this is my digestive seed blend that I'm going to also be putting in there. I'm going to be using ice cubes, frozen banana, and of course the one and only almond milk. You can use regular milk or whatever milk that is good for your family. We drink almond milk, so that's what I'm going to be using today, and of course the one and only peanut butter. So let's start. It's my first time using this, so I hope it goes well. So here we go. First, it calls for the ice. I love ice. I like to actually eat ice. And then it calls for, so it says ice your milk. Bingo. I don't think you need that much milk. And then it calls for your frozen banana. It also calls for granola, but I'm not going to be using granola since I'm putting my protein powder in there. So I'm just going to add these frozen banana. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my seeds, my digestive seed blend. I just add a teaspoon of that. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a teaspoon of my hemp seeds. I might do 2 of those because I really love those. Put 2 teaspoons of that. And I'm going to go ahead and add my super greens. Now, I can tell you this. These super greens are bitter. So you might not want to add too much of it, so I'm going to go with a half a teaspoon because it can make your stuff very bitter. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. A teaspoon of that. And then I'm going to add in my protein powder. And then, of course, the one and only peanut butter. Gonna add in my peanut butter. And I'm just gonna do 1 tablespoon. Kind of want to do more, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. No.
Do it.
Just 1 tablespoon. Just 1. And yes, I have peanut butter finger. I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Put the blades on. And I pray I have enough liquid. And okay. Okay. This is so stops on it. Oh, you don't even have to stop it. It knows when to stop when all the ingredients are nice and blended. So I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and give that a taste. It stopped on its own. That was awesome. Ooh, nice and creamy. I can see the greens in there. Go ahead and give it a swirl. Oh. Guys. This smoothie, I don't even know what to say. It is so good.